So we are moving this water heater to a room over here. We're terminating this down here, terminating this, and we're bringing all of this overhead. And all of this piping feeds into this room that we're moving it. So let me show you. So the water heater is gonna be right here. And we got gas, cold, hot. And we're gonna tee off all of these. And we're gonna drill a 6-inch hole for B vent, run it across, run the recirc line back in here. And we'll decide what we'll do with the TMP and all of that. All the piping for the building is actually run outside. Got the gas right here. TMP, recirc, and then the water runs right along the side of the building. I thought the forks would be flat.
Flat? No.
Like a forklift, you know what I mean? Yeah, those aren't gonna. Okay.
So we don't touch that. Here we took this line.
Built a platform, slid it over, and now we're just trying to line up the B vent. But before we do that, a little pro press action, 1.5 inches. Pow. Boom shakalaka. Now that's capped. All right, day one. Got the B vent. We just have to hang it tomorrow. That was that's the hardest job I've done this year, for sure. We just gotta hang it in 2 spots. Day 2, we just cut the gas right here and drill the hole. Beautiful. Mega press, 1.25 inches.
That line is live. I forgot that line is live.
Oh yeah, you just turn the water on. It's all good. It's right if you go around the corner here.
Yes, in the front.
Yeah. There's a gate valve and a ball valve.
Okay.
Look at that beautifulness.
The water?
Yeah. All right, we just plumbed up the check valve. Check valve. What the hell am I talking about? There is a check valve, but the recirc pump. Ball valve, recirc pump, check valve, draw off T. Okay. Finished it up. There's a lot of things not up to code, but this is not being inspected. Actually, there's only one thing that's not up to code, which is this. I don't know why I said that. So this has to have 12 inches before U90, but we can't because there's a drain on the other side. But we sleeved it for them. This is a really difficult thing that we had to do, but they're gonna drywall around it, put the fire foam stuff, and then this crapped out. I'll replace that next week, but everything's working. Everything has a little bit of pitch on the vent, but not much we can do on that. But the owner's informed and he doesn't care. And he said, dude, it's gonna be fine, don't worry about it. So, it is what it is.